So guys, welcome back to the channel. We just came out here to the roadside. We're on the field side. The road's just over there. So there's a few branches here that we need to clean for the grass. Our grass marshal there. That's a drainage ditch. As you can see, there's trees and everything growing in it. Some of them we leave in it, some we won't. The ESB were here. The ESB was the electrical board. There's a power line overhead, and they topped a lot of the trees here. But what actually happened, a lot of the foliage is in the ditches now, and that needs to be all cleaned out as it affects the drainage. You hear a car here, but we're just going to be cutting that way, so we're just going to take off these few branches. I'll see how it goes. I'm not the starting of it, so I hope you enjoy. Yeah, let's get to it. So yeah, now I'll head back down to the sticks. So guys, we're getting on very well. We just have the Major here with the loaded up. We're getting through the whatever's left, and then we just have that big branch there, so I'm just going to put that on the loader. For the spin anyway. I am going to try and invest in a headset, so at least then I can drive with ease. It's not too bad driving with ease. Back going down with the New Holland. across the road. What's that there? Let's spin her around now. Alright. Very, very mucky, alright. But I'll just keep out from the muck. It shouldn't be too bad. I think just there will be fine. Head back down my loader fully. Now, she should be grand there. Now, keep the ignition off. Yeah, it's very mucky. Enough talking. I've work to be doing, so I'm just going to get this unloaded. Then we're back on the tractor, back down, and we'll get the final load. See ya. So guys, we have the Major here. Just after disconnecting the trailer, said because we'll call it a day, and sure, just spin her right around. So we come in this way, turn right around, and then whatever way angle it came back in, it ended up over here, and I wanted it in a bit because that's where she was before as the guide. Finally got her in, and yeah, she'll do grand now. Here, I've just this timber to unload. I've a little area for this timber. I'll just show you. So timber in here. It's a bit of ruins of a building. It's all covered in ivy and stuff. I've just put a few bits of sheets to galvanise here, and I've started storing a few bits of timber in there, and it's perfect for just a bit of timber that won't be cut for a while. So I'm just going to put them all there, and yeah, 3, 2, 1. Guys, as you can see, we've all the timber in. I'll just put it on an extra piece of sheet in here. I'm just going to go inside. It is raining. So I finished filming that last clip, so this is a week after what you've just seen. I actually ended up putting the trailer back on the Major, and we actually went back out and we done another 2 loads up until dark, and it was proper dark. I might just go outside for a second to show you the Major. I know, yes, you can see guys, we have the Major here. Yes, she is outside. We don't have a tractor shed for her yet. We're on the process of building one. This is the best thing with tractors. A lot of farmers have to just leave their tractors outside. It doesn't do them too much harm. Obviously, in the long term, not so good. But I'm mad to put it into a shed. As you guys see, we have our trailer here. I'll just bring down that pitchfork. The weather, as you can see, is not getting any lighter, so I might just head down and wrap up the video here now. So I hope you enjoyed today's video with the Major, or even last. Yeah, I will hopefully have a few more shots of it. And if you want, I might do a video on the tractor shed as we are. So we've already started building it. We still have to just put the roof on and stuff like that. And then eventually when that's all done, we can start putting the tractors in out of the rain. So yeah, hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have already, for now.